Okay, so yes, I've decided to do another Q&A, even though that frickin' YouTube strike. Middle finger to you, YouTube, for doing this to me. But yeah, granted, this Q&A will be split in parts. Keep that in mind, guys. You really have to keep that in mind. So yeah, if you want to see one big Q&A video, sadly you're not going to get that. It's going to be in separate parts. But yeah. Anyway. So this Q&A, like all the other past Q&As, is pretty much centered around one subject. And today, this subject's going to be around the Ghoul School movie. If you guys remember the Scooby-Doo and the Ghoul School movie, probably one of my favorite animated films growing up, and I still have a fondness for it. So, yeah, I'm doing a Q&A centered around that. So, as always with these Q&As, there's only two rules for these Q&As, and keep that in mind. There's only two rules. The first rule is only 3 questions per person. That is the limit. There's only a 3-question limit. That is all. So yeah, 3-question limit. And the other rule is please make sure a question you want to ask hasn't been asked already, because that would be pretty much me saying the same answer over again, and nobody wants to do that, so I'm probably more than likely going to skip the question if I see the same question over again. It would just be me, not trying to be a jerk here, guys, but it would just be me answering the same question over again, and I'm pretty sure nobody wants that. So yeah, only 3 questions per person, and no repeat questions. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see how this Q&A goes, and if it goes well, maybe I'll do more, even though the editing will probably be absolute hell. But yeah, really excited to see what you guys have for me on the Ghoul School a Ghoul School Q&A. This ought to be fun. Yeah, you guys can ask me about anything about the movie, what I'd like to see from this, if they got a series, all those kind of questions. Really curious to see what you guys come up with this one. But yeah. Anyway, once again, hope you all enjoyed this, and I'm out.